Hey, when it comes to makeup, it is important to have a hack handy just in case of a glam emergency.
Lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams joins us once more to share her hack for turning any product into a tint. Welcome back.
Yes, hi. Okay, first of all, it's summer, so we kind of don't always want to like be caking everything up on our skin, right?
Right.
True.
But it's also June, so I wanted to kind of preview a cute little Pride Month palette here. So I'm going to transform all of these powders into creams that are going to bond to your skin by using micellar water.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have our producer, Alyssa Franklin, here as our model. Hello, girl. Look how you glamorous. You glammed up.
I'm ready.
We did this segment with eyeshadow last month, and
Yes.
I got so many responses from people saying, I cannot believe I never figured this out. And then people were like, I'm going to go try. My micellar water doesn't work. So I brought on this micellar water today because this is the one I generally use. This is Garnier. This is their micellar water. And I love this because of this trend. I think like their sales must be going through the roof because we were just talking like so many are sold every minute as it is, but I love this. But the reason why I like it too is because it has just the right amount of oil and water mixed and all of the nutrients that when even the water evaporates, the oil bonds it to your skin.
Okay.
All right. So this is our Danessa Myricks Pride palette. I think it's called Love is Love.
That is
brand new.
gorgeous.
These colors are gorgeous, right?
It's so beautiful.
But maybe we want to make them a little more intense. We can add a little micellar water if we want to do like a little bit of liner, or if we want to give a little cheek glam, we can add a little bit, we can thin it out with the micellar water. So it really does give you a little bit of versatility to use any product. Okay. So I'm gonna get started finally.
All right.
And stop talking.
All right.
But look, you're just gonna take, now I would normally just put it on like a little beauty pad or something like that I can go back and forth.
Using our shot glasses
Yeah,
here.
there we
You
go.
have a
Just use-
purpose.
I mean, you know, hey, I don't want to use them up though, because I know how important they
Yes,
are.
they
Yes,
are.
they are.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with a little bit of liner. So I'm just gonna use a regular little liner brush here. I'm gonna dip it in.
Like
Get
you're
it nice
painting,
and
like a
saturated.
watercolor.
Very,
Yeah, right?
yes. Art 101. And we're gonna just go in and we're gonna do a little bold color, right?
Okay.
But let's do a little green. I know I did that last time, but I want to see if you can see how it just picks up that color and turns anything into
wow.
a cream.
Okay.
So Alyssa, here we go. You ready?
All right, let's do it.
All right. She's like, I didn't know it was going to be green today.
And
Take
you were
it,
just
and we're gonna
lining
go
here?
Right in there. Yep. Just going to give her a little. I would go ahead and do a very sassy eye on her.
Oh,
Can
yes,
you
because
see
she
that?
is sassy.
It would take the whole segment to show her sass and eyeliner.
yes.
So I'm just going to wing out the edges, but it's really just a gorgeous, gorgeous way.
Now, do you have to let that completely dry before you say you do an eyeshadow or anything?
I would, yes. And
Okay.
as you would any other eyeliner, you're just taking your shadow and turning it into a cream. And if you want to have a little bit more intensity or thickness, now I like to go right up to that lash line, and
Yeah.
I would go over this with a little bit of mascara afterwards and make sure you get up there. But I like to kind of put it right in there and get it all
Are you going into
way
the
in
corner
there.
of the eye?
I'm not going to go all the way over right now, just because I'm going to do more of like a quick hit on her. Go ahead and take a look.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Bam!
Bam.
Just that little bit actually opened her eye so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I'm just going to use a little flat brush and I'm going to give her a little cheek pop.
Little cheek pop,
And I
okay.
love this color because I feel like this color might be a little bit bold for some, right?
Right.
But if you thin it out, we just created more intensity with micellar water by really getting a lot of pigment on the brush
Right.
and creating that line. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the micellar water, I'm going to dip it, and I'm going to go ahead and just touch a sponge with it right there. Like anything, just take a little bit of the excess off.
Okay.
I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and go over my hand a little bit first.
Okay, because you're
Oh,
getting
because
some
you're
of the
gonna
color
thin it
out.
out.
Take a
Yeah.
little bit, now just give me a cute little smile.
Now, one quick
look at
question. Does
that.
this mess up your palette because you're using the micellar water on
No,
it?
because it'll dry. Now, you know, just leaving your palette open sometimes will get a little bit crusty. I always say, if anything happens, just take a brush it up, or take one of those little old mascara wands that are dry, that hasn't been used, you know, the disposable ones, and just scratch off that top surface.
Okay.
So,
So this is highlighting her cheekbone?
Yeah, like a
giving
little
her
bit of
just
color.
a
Look how pretty.
little bit.
And a little
Look at
sparkle.
that.
That's really pretty on
Okay.
her. That's a good color for you, Alyssa.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is an eyeshadow that now has become a blush.
Wow.
I think it's more of like a highlighter, but I would use this as an eyeshadow.
Or,
Okay.
yeah.
But you know what? This is a blush on some and a gorgeous highlighter on this beautiful skin right here.
Ooh, that is so pretty,
Yeah.
Mickey. I love these ideas.
I know. Now, I'm just going to do one more thing because I'm crazy about this and I can't stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you
But I'm
finish
going to
that up.
go
We'll make
ahead.
sure everybody sees Mickey Williams Glam on YouTube. She's got some great tutorials on there. So if you missed some of this, go back and watch it there.
Yeah.
Thanks,
And
Mickey.
it's
You're
actually taking it
welcome.
up a notch.
I
Look
wanted
at
to give it a
that.
little bit of a rainbow on top there.
Look at that.
Sorry, I couldn't stop.